Have you ever been in a situation where you don't know who is calling you? Maybe you're expecting a call from a certain person, but you don't want to answer if it's someone else. Or maybe you're just curious to know who is trying to reach you. So you're not alone. Many people wonder if Vonage offers caller ID. Vonage is a popular VoIP voice over Internet protocol provider. VoIP allows you to make and receive phone calls over the Internet instead of using a traditional landline phone. Vonage offers a variety of features, including caller ID. So, does Vonage offer caller ID? The answer is yes. Vonage offers caller ID as a standard feature with all of its plans. This means that you will be able to see the name or number of the person calling you before you answer the phone. There are a few different ways to use caller ID with Vonage. You can use the Vonage app on your smartphone or tablet, or you can use the Vonage online portal. You can also set up caller ID on your home phone or office phone. In addition to standard caller ID, Vonage also offers a number of other features that can help you identify callers. For example, you can set up call screening to block calls from certain numbers. You can also set up Do Not Disturb mode to avoid being interrupted by unwanted calls. Benefits of using caller ID with Vonage. There are a number of benefits to using caller ID with Vonage. Peace of mind. Knowing who is calling you before you answer the phone can give you peace of mind. Increased productivity. Caller ID can help you avoid wasting time on unwanted calls. Improved customer service. Caller ID can help you provide better customer service by allowing you to know who is calling and why they are calling. Enhanced security. Caller ID can help you identify and avoid potential scams. How to enable caller ID with Vonage. Enabling caller ID with Vonage is easy. Simply log in to your Vonage online portal and go to the Settings tab. Then, select Caller ID and enable it. Once you have enabled caller ID, you will be able to see the name or number of the person calling you before you answer the phone. You can also set up caller ID preferences, such as whether or not to show private or unknown numbers. If you are looking for a VoIP provider that offers caller ID, Vonage is a great option. Vonage offers caller ID as a standard feature with all of its plans. This means that you will be able to see the name or number of the person calling you before you answer the phone. If you are interested in learning more about Vonage, please visit the Vonage website or call 1-800-VONAGE-IT. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Additional information. In addition to the information above, you may also want to mention the following in your video script: the different types of caller ID that Vonage offers, how to set up caller ID preferences, the cost of caller ID with Vonage, the pros and cons of using Vonage caller ID. You may also want to include some customer testimonials or reviews of Vonage caller ID. I hope this helps.